This is a 1991 Ford F-350 water tank truck. The truck has a custom chassis and is powered by a Ford EFI 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. There are 3,123 miles on the odometer, and this truck has an AC, manual windows and locks, as well as dual rear tires in good condition. The water tank on this truck is by Progress Industries, model RSS72, and it has a capacity of 600 gallons. The truck starts and runs. Please see our website to view and to bid on this sale. Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.